Good morning, Philippines!
Hi guys! So right now guys, hello po. Tam is here. And ang gagawin ko is gagawa tayo ng face mask. Meron akong nakita sa ano pero wala ako yung mga sinasabi nila na wala akong nakikitang yung mga foam na para pang ano insulation na why the other side is have that sticky already. So this one, ito siya Sunkist. Gamitin natin ito siya. Wala siyang ano, clear yung siya. Parang plain ba? Walang raggedy. Plain lang siya. Look, kinat ko siya in half. Saan ito galing? Where this from, Han? From Squeezy. To clean up the window. To clean up the glass. To clean up the glass. So, I cut it in half. Breaks his heart, guys. I cut it. So, I cut it in half. So, kasi hindi siya, wala siyang sticky the other side. I'm going to apply a freaking hard Gorilla Glue. This is really hard.
Well, you can't squeeze it when the air can't get out.
Yeah. So, ito siya guys. Ikakat ko to siya guys. Kunin lang natin itong label. So, here you go. The other side have this white thing. So, I guess I have to clean it, guys. I-clean ko lang ito and then babalikan ko kayo. So, ito na siya, guys. We took off the glue because meron siyang puti. Yung tinanggal namin ito, Tommy used the glue gun to get rid of the glue or whatever left over from the sticker. Yeah, without damaging or scratching the plastic. So, guys, di ba may apat siyang linya? I make sure na yung mata ko mapunta siya sa walang linya. Kasi para hindi kasi weird kasi pag there is a line and then your eyes is hit the line. So you should like go the area that there's no line. So I cut over here na walang linya.
No.
Okay. And then cut half. And then cut over here.
Right, if you cut a razor, you don't cut up like that.
Yeah, so where's the razor? Do you have? I have to make sure na dito guys, oh, you don't have to overcut here. You cut it here because to cover your chin right here. Right here.
You want me to do this, huh? You know how you're dangerous with knives.
There you go. And then later on.
Okay, you don't drink soda, so what do you do with the soda?
Huh?
Pour it out?
That's really bad. That's the Sunkist that I don't drink. And then maghanap tayo ng lugar na walang linya yung face natin. So I'm going to cut it right here.
Shouldn't you cut the top first?
Okay.
So you're gonna cut across. See that?
I make sure na there you go. Take it off right here. It's wet.
So why don't you dry it then?
So I have to dry it.
Put a towel.
So I'm gonna cut it right here. There you go. There you go, guys. Face mask, guys. Woo. Oh my god, my face is so small for this. Covered up my ear. Oh, this is so good. So, after that one, what we're gonna do is cut off the edges. Turn it around. Then it won't cut your freaking thing. I guess this is too big for me. Because the edges,
So you can cut it a little lower.
so I will cut a little bit here and a little bit here. I will cut a little bit. Yeah, I have to do the other side. A little bit.
Well, sing your mama's song. You're a strange one, Mr. Grinch.
Mr. Grinch. Do I have to put the glue first in the thing, right? The foam.
You want to glue it to the mask, then you have to do that. Yeah, no, you put the glue on the plastic,
The plastic?
and then put the foam on it.
I have to know
And
where.
then you gotta make sure the glue doesn't need foam, because some glue you can't do foam with.
So, ito na siya guys. Any foam guys. And then Gorilla Glue, yun lang. And what I'm going to put in the back to hold it in my head, I'm going to use this headband I have. I'm going to use this part, the back part.
Give me the foam. Well, you put it right on the foam. Forget it. Here.
Huh?
I'll just put it on the foam. Give me the foam.
That's
Which side do you want?
This one here.
Glue on that side?
You think it will hold?
You're gonna have to wait a few minutes, and you gotta hold it there for.
So ngayon guys, hawakan ko lang ito siya kasi may glue. Let me see. Tommy not sure if it really holds the
Well,
glue.
it says it holds foam. Well, I know. I've never used any kind of glue on foam, but it says it holds foam. So, make attention.
So hintayin lang natin guys. Dito siya, ni-roll ni Tommy dito. So, whiskey. So guys, hinintay ko lang itong glue kasi dito pa siya sa, ito siya, nag-hug siya sa bottle. Hintayin mo lang siya kasi Gorilla Glue siya para naman mag-stay siya doon. Also, yung mask na ginamit ko, is ano siya, ayusin ko lang siya ng mabuti. Ayusin ko lang siya para naman hindi siya yung ano, parang meron tayong mask. While using this, you have your own mask. Yan. And mag-gardening sana ako ngayon. I mean, continue gardening. Pero, meron na tayong garden. Continue sana. Itong vlog, guys, is unahin ko siyang upload. Iuna ko siya upload. May mga vlog pa ako na hindi ko na-upload. Nakikita niyo siya ngayon, di ba? Ngayong araw. Yesterday ko ito film. So, may mga vlog ako the previous day na hindi ko siya muna i-upload. Ito muna yung iuna ko kasi may ginawa tayong face mask. Buti na lang meron akong red burgundy na ano din. So, ang gagawin ko is tahiin ko lang siya. So ang anuhin is tahiin ko lang ito siya. Nakabaliktad na siya guys ha. Ito yung sa baliktad para safe, para hindi siya ano halata. So you guys, i-ano ko lang ito siya guys. Ito, simple. Hindi na yung bigyan ng headache yung ano ko. And ito yun siya sa mukha ko. Maliit man siya. Hindi man siya nakaano talaga. Pero yan, meron na tayong mask. And ito siya para ito sa ulo dito. Para hindi. Kasi wala akong pang ano dito sa tainga. Pasok ko to. And then, tahiin ko lang siya. Yan. Oh, yun. Meron na tayong mask. So, yan guys. So, ito yung mask ko. And, kahit hindi siya malaki, as in, natabunan naman yung ilong ko at saka bibig, hindi lang ako makahinga. Bawal huminga. Bawal huminga. So, yun, ito siya. And, yun. Bawal huminga po nito, okay? Let's do the shield. Tignan natin kung okay ba siya. Ayan. Sorry. So, ito na yung shield. I can't breathe. It's going to kill me before coronavirus attack me. So, yung glue is nag-work naman siya, look. Lagyan ko siya dito ng ano, para mag-hold sa ulo ko. So, meron siyang mga extra dito. So, ang gagawin natin is, i-ano lang natin siya, i-cut para maging straight. And then, dito din, meron pa siyang, ano, dito sa gilid niya, is parang nag-ano dito, gumaganon siya. So, ika-cut natin siya more. And the other side also, i-cut natin. Wala akong pansya. Wala na akong pakialam guys kung meron silang makitang glue dyan. Basta kay, ang importante, magka-shield tayo, diba? Magka-shield yung mukha natin. Do you have puncher? Ala! Knife. Look, you have it. I asked you, I know you have
In
it.
the car from the other house. So you just gotta do what you gotta do right away.
Look, 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 look. Do you have puncher?
A hole punch? No. Not with me. Don't do it that way.
Thank you. So, ito guys. Gawin natin ito guys. Gawin. Okay. So, ito na siya guys. So, tignan natin ha. Yun na siya. Ano siya, sobrang mahirap it's tight kasi yung band na nilagay ko is siya. So, yun. And itong mask natin. So, I think kung magsuot ako nito, hindi na ako magsuot ng mask kasi hindi na talaga ako makahinga. I mean, hindi man din mahirap hihinga. So, dito na siya. Hindi siya masakit kasi kanina sobrang parang may extra pa siya doon. So, may problema siya, guys. Kahit nakamask ka na, and then ito din, ang problema nito is, nagpa-fog. Nagpa-fog dito dahil yung init ng hininga mo is andito siya dahil sa so hindi talaga siya pwede. So yan, tapos na tayo and yun guys, thank you guys so much for watching and yun lang yun guys, sobrang lang siya, naghanap lang ako ng elastic and then if kung makahanap ako ng iba, anuhin ko lang ito siya. I-change ko lang kung makahanap ako ng malaki-laki kasi sobrang liit niya, parang sobrang tight talaga siya sa ulo ko. So, yun. So, maghanap tayo ng maluwag-luwag. Pero, okay na siya. Yun na. Kailangan lang talagang foam. Kanina, nagplano ako na lang damit. Ko lang siya, ipo-fold and then ilagay dito. Maganda pala talaga itong foam kasi na mahuhold siya sa mo and then hindi siya masakit. Maganda siya. So, yun. Yun, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. And I hope, thank you guys so much for telling me, you have to wear mask. Kasi si Tami, nag-order si Tami ng mask sa Amazon. Pero ang problema, kapag mag-check out na siya for medical, lang, for hospital, ganon-ganon. So, hindi kami so kaya nakaisipan ko talaga na yesterday, naggumawa ako nito. Pero parang, makikita nyo yan sa vlog, kung paano ko siya, pangmadalian lang, pero, yun. Pero ito yung nagawa ko today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!